Hello, good day all my dear friends, I'm Oliver. Here let's unbox one big bulldozer, 1 to 10 scale, D11T, 3 rippers, and a double pump. So let's see. So now already I draw it out of the box. So let's see how you prepare and run it out. First, radio you power on, and the side door of the bulldozer you can open. So from this side, here put the 3S battery, connect, you will have the control. And first, take out this screw, fill up hydraulic oil, maybe around 100 minimum liter. And this oil now is low, so better fill up the oil middle of these transparent holes. So after you run a little bit, oil will go to the cylinder, and the oil level will going down a little bit, but keep it around half the oil tank, it is enough. So inside here, that's the big battery chamber, and the sound system, two speakers are stick to the top. That's a speaker. And here, that's the heating unit. So here, this inside, that's the heating wire and smoking oil. So if no more smoking coming, oil is burned out, fill up smoking oil from here. Remove the hose, drip around 1 minimum liter smoking oil. On top, that's the blower blowing air to the heating unit. Other side, that's the receiver. This side, that's the receiver, so 12 channel all used. And the cabin door can open. Inside, that's the screen showing battery voltage. Now it's 12 volt. Inside the cabin decoration, it's all 3D print plastic. So for all this bulldozer, mostly it is all steel welding metal. What is plastic? Let's see. This red extinguisher plastic, light hub plastic, this decoration exhaust and the filter, that's plastic, and the 3D print inside cabin decoration, it is plastic. Others, it's all steel metal. So now this ladder, it is secured back in position. Servo control with a turning switch. You can slowly turn it, put it down, and take it back in position. And the light, so front and also on the cabin, flashing, off, one on circulating, all on, and smoke, now it's flashing again. So 110 kg, 3ripper with light and sound and smoking. Start the sound system. Track sound. Full head. Full rear side. So now this one it is setting like this, yeah. So driver rear side ESC factory setting, backward slower, forward faster with more power for pushing. Drive backward, less power, less speed. And smoking, it's already on, but not coming smoke only when you operate in the hydraulic. The blower will be on and push out the smoke. Now coming out, heat up, coming oil. So blade forward. Backward. This two-cylinder, it is for raising the blade and lowering. So this two, that's for the blade, forward and backward, one channel. This is one channel, this is one more channel. So it's separate two oil channel. Mix control together for lowering all the way, rising, And these two mix control, we put it a little bit down. Here it's already at the end, yeah, so you cannot tilt it, cannot. So first, drop it to the middle, then you can turn it all the way, tilting to left. One cylinder goes down, another cylinder goes up. So tilting another side. When tilting to right side, left cylinder coming up, right cylinder going down. They mix control operate together. Sorry, not mix control, by two turning switch. Okay, tilting one side, turning another side, tilting another side. So 3ripper are still very strong with pin connection. You see the size of the pin, so you can judge it is very tough. And two cylinder for rising, two cylinder for the ripper in and out. So two channel control, yeah. First, drop it. First forward rise a little bit. Continue dropping. Rising it. And this one coming in and out. Let's drop again, turn around. Rear side, because that's the angle pushing rear, so for dropping it, less power, but for forward, the two cylinder directly pushing down, so more power for rising. So first, drop the ripper, we lift up rear side, in position, and then we drop forward, rising the forward. And drive forward. So all the road wheels rolling, all still. And this compressing piston inside have a strong spring. The compressing range around 5 minimum meter. So the track, you see the guide from the track middle to the wheels. So it's around 5 minimum meter. So this one, it will not drop the track. The track will not come loose from the wheels. Drive. Backward. Turning. Steering to right. So this one, it is with two big drive motor and all steel gears. So very powerful for pushing, and also two pumps, Italy pumps running same time to supply enough oil for all the cylinder moving together and have power and have enough flow. It's full of water. Thank you for watching. See you.